Happy face. Sad face. Angry face. Surprised. Disgusted. What else? Shy. Hi everybody! Welcome to our channel, and it's time for us again to have another lesson. Right now, since si teacher may binigay siyang activity, it's all about the emotions or feelings of a person. So, ito basically, alam naman na nito ni Isla. You know it already, right? Pero since it's a part of her activity na binigay ni teacher, we'll just share on how do we do it para just in case you are interested also. This is going to be also a fun way to teach our children, especially sa mga toddlers, ganyan. And hindi lang sa mga toddlers, pati na rin sa mga ages na katulad ni Isla. Okay? So, let's now begin. Okay, so I have here a face of a girl. Ayan, ginawa ko lang siya. I just printed this one out. So, if you want to have like this as well, kung gusto nyo siyang i-print, pero pwede rin naman kayo yung mag-draw, ano. Pero if you want to print it out, I'll just leave the link down na lang there below. Yan, sinearch ko lang siya sa internet. Okay, so this is how it works. Yan, nag-move yung kanyang mouth, yan, ipupull mo lang pa ganyan, pabalik-balik from left to right. As well, yung kanyang eyes, yan, nababago din yan. Cute, no? So, that's how it works, ganyan. So, kung ano yung na-point, for example, ito, and then this, ano yung emotion? What emotion is this, darling? What is this?
Mad.
Yeah, mad. Alright. So, ganyan siya nag-work. So, ngayon, since may activity dito si Isla from teacher, this is also one way of showing na lang it. Kasi minsan, di ba, pag tayo yung nag-i-imitate, parang ikaw natatawa din sa sarili mo. Ito, at least, itong picture na nandito, hindi ka na magdadalawang isip. Lalo na kapag, kasi may mga pictures talaga na very, very, confusing. Nako-confuse ka. Bakit ito? Ganito yung mukha, ganito. So, ito basic lang yung kanyang pagkakagawa. Kaya, madali lang siyang intindihin at saka ituro. So, we have here sa paper, hindi ko na masyadong may happy face, we have sad face, happy face, angry face, and surprise face. She needs to draw the emotion doon sa blank face provided on the worksheet. So, what's the best way to show it? Or para ma-imitate niya? Although, alam niyang i-express, syempre may times lang na nakaka-confuse din para sa kanila kung paano nila siya i-draw. So, with this, ayan, by using this, mas madadalian siya na kopyahin na lang yung nasa face. So, let's start with the happy face for a while, anak. Let's find. You find where's the happy face? Which face? There you go. So, ito yung happy face pinol ni Isla. Now, she's going to trace it here. Galing ah. Next. Sad face. Oh, you pull nga the sad face. You show nga, mommy, where's the sad face? Oh, no. Yeah. The sad face. I'll go. Draw it. Next, anger face. We have the anger face. Here. Oh, you know the angry face? Where is it? Go. Okay. So this is the sad, the anger face. Yan. Let's go into
This one?
Yep. Here, this one, the girl one.
Mommy.
Very good. How about the nose? Where's it now? Very good. Next is the surprised face. Very good. Tama naman, anak. Eyes na lang and nose. Very good nga eh. Good job! Basically, ganun lang siya kadali. Magagawa ka lang ng, parang maganda, di ba? Sobrang easy lang niyang gayahin. And it's also a way, kapag gusto niyo maglaro, yan, isa rin yung sa pwede niyong gawin para lang ma-retain sa isip niya kung paano yung mga facial expressions. So now let's proceed sa next activity niya, which is the paper plate face. So she'll be making a face using this paper plate. So wala namang particular instructions. So I just decided na lang na we're going to punch paper na lang, and then we'll just do like a mosaic. Yan, ipo-follow lang niya yung gagawin nating line. So I'll be drawing the line na lang here para kanyang i-trace. After that, we'll see kung anong gagawin natin after this. Maybe let's just put some hair and let's just think other creative ways para mas maganda siya. Materials are paper plate, of course, and then a puncher, a pencil, red colored paper, and a black colored paper. Put it inside. Here. And then you punch. Push. There you go. Another one. Put it inside. Ayun na lang. Mas madali. Wait, go. Punch. Okay. Meron na rin po kami dito yellow na paper because we are thinking to make a happy sunflower. So it's a flower, and then we also need glue, of course. So may glue din tayo dito. And dito sa sunflower, I'll be just doing, or it's not a sunflower, maybe we'll just make a basic flower lang. And ayan. So, there you have it. Is just finish her happy face plate. Yeah. We have this as well. Yan. And then, yung kanyang activity na nag-draw siya ng facial emotions. Okay, so now let's proceed sa next activity natin. We have here again this one. Ito talaga yung star of the day natin, ano? Ito. And then, I prepared another face, which is this one. I printed this out again, tapos I got it laminated. So, nilaminate ko lang siya. So, we have here our clay, and then, Isla's going to use this. She is going to mold the clay, and then, susundan niya yung nandito, dito sa blank face na ito. Okay? So, this is going to be exciting because this is clay. Ayan. So, ito muna yung ginamit naming clay para maliit lang, no? Tapos, iba't ibang kulay. Meron din tayong tinatawag na work mat. So, I also laminated this one. Dito lang siya mag-roll ng kanyang clay para hindi madumihan yung kanyang table. So, ginawa ko lang din to. If in case na, no, syempre kahit anong rolling mat. Better nga din sana, alam niyo yung parang chopping board na yung rubber, maganda din doon. So, ito muna yung ginamit ko because I have a set of this personalized mga parang busy workbook niya. And it's part of her workbook. Alright? So, let's go. That's the happy face, right? Can I see? Show it. Very good. Now the sad face. Very good. Can you show it again? There you go. How about the surprised face? Can you see? Wow, she's surprised. How about the anger face? Don't know. You can use it. If you don't know, you can use it. Whoa, oh no. That's the angry face. What else? How about bored face? I like that. Can you show it? Okay, good job. What else? How about the crying face? Crying face? Oh no, there's tears. There are tears on her eyes.
That's me. Hi everybody,
Yeah.
Isla. I'm drawing happy face. This is a happy face. And this is me. I'm happy. Today I'm just doing something with my mom. She's working and have videoing for me.
How did you do that one?
It's just in here.
Oh, where did you get that one?
And just there and down.
Where did you saw that one? How to draw like that? You searched?
No.
Where?
I'm going to show you. I searched it in voice command.
Oh, voice command. What did you say? How to?
How I like just I don't know na mom.
You don't know na. So, Isla, I'm working here beside her. She said dun sa cellphone since yung sa may Google wait lang. Yung sa may Google, 'di ba meron dun yung magsasalita ka to search since hindi pa nga siya marunong pang mag-type or Ang sabi niya is yun, gagawa siya ng happy face and then may pinanood siya sa YouTube kanina. So ganyan. And then hindi naman siya, this, scotch tape. Pero, nag-find siya ng something na circle and round in shape. Kaya, yan. There, she made her happy faces. Cute. Very good luck.
Thank you, Mom.
You're welcome. Oh, you're writing your name.
U-E-D-A. E-D-R. R-U. E. B-D-E-R-U-A-D-A.
So there you have it. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked our activity for today. I hope this also will help you para maturuan ng inyong mga anak. So this is also a great way to bond with your children. So thank you again for watching. I hope you like it. We hope you like it. Bye!
Mom.